Nigeria. Which way Nigeria? I don't know. May tell us so because I don't know right now. Big shout out to Sonny Okosun. May gentle soul continue to rest in peace. I think the news of his death came like a few years back. He don't reach like 5 years old. More than. You don't take.
Back in 2009, if my memory is correct.
Until his death, he was a pastor now, right?
A pastor.
A pastor, right? Yeah. Big shout out to the legacy when he lived behind, and also big shout out to the family when he lived behind. You know, imagine, when they drop this song, it's senior me.
It's senior me too.
This song, Which Way Nigeria. Imagine somebody when they ask Which Way Nigeria over 40 years ago.
At that time, things no they
cheap.
Things no they like this.
We just come up for colonial rule, colonial hand. They just hand us the country. See, they control whoever they put for there. Now in this bros, they complete this. So, what do you want to sing now?
I don't know.
Because now, we don't even get where. You know, say when you ask Which Way Nigeria, I say you see options of different way. Now we don't even get options of different way.
So now remix we go sing. We no get where
Nigeria. We no get where Nigeria. We don't know where we are going. We don't know where we are going. And it's not funny because they affect every single human.
No. They affect everybody. You know, even this. Then she be Veno Mariogi, but she be Veno Mbanifo. But she sing this song, Nigeria go survive.
Nigeria
go survive. Africa go survive.
That was like 90s, I mean
80s. 80s.
Go survive.
So imagine these people singing this song at
that time
when dollar to equal naira not even past 20 naira and save. So which song we don't even lose voice actually because nobody really sing anything now because we don't you get.
Somebody Sam Sultan talk one thing for you. So me so rest in peace. Say
that was 2010,
but then
right?
I noticed something. Say people will try. I'm done. They underground.
Yes.
I see them. I look them from far.
Yeah.
Me, I fear these government people.
Yeah, because to fight against government is not a smart.
Twist Daddy, before you let us know the price of beer for beer lovers, even the Nigerian brewery now don't talk. Say Nigerians so no fee afford to come and have fun and drink beer again.
Okay. Officially, for those who don't know, welcome to Across the Bridge. My name is Aaron Abi.
My own name is Becca Bliss. And we get Lady J.
You see this thing when you talk. So, last Friday, I was invited for a birthday party at this popular road for VIM.
Okay.
That popular road gets 3 clubs, about 6 bars, because the road goes to the come bend, and some other different outlets. On a normal Friday, if you enter, so me be no one drive that road because I think
it go block.
Say motor go full everywhere. I'm talking about level P. You know how Lagos they be for level P.
Yeah.
Why might you say make I choke enter? Nah, choke enter.
Everywhere free.
If you see how the place be like desert, only because they say, I mean, they should go here, people run.
Hey, God.
So, OTB them, but OTB because they ask me why they slow. I say, bros, the reason they slow, normally here they book. So I go, okay, maybe if I enter the second turn, I go meet people. Guess what? Even where we go, they invite me come for the event. When I reach there, now scouting people full. Now the guy can tell me, say you don't think when they see customers go through part, guess what? People know they come outside again because they cannot afford
the price
of thing. And that was when beer was old price. Now yesterday, now they release new prices.
Before you still give us that new price, the chief executive officer of Nigerian Brewery PLC does say the economic situation of the country is so bad that citizens no longer feel afford to buy beer. He can't make the revelation yesterday. He say like Nigerian breweries, for example, say they suffered a 115.3 billion foreign exchange loss due to the devaluation of naira for the year wey end December 2023. So for the period under review, the Nigerian brewery they can't grow their revenue by 8.9% to 599.64 billion from 550.64 billion. Net finance expense, they say that one being significantly rise by 449.7% to 189.19 billion. It can't drag the bureau to a loss of 106.31 billion. We say they been get a gain of 13.19 billion at the end of 2022. So all the of every we say shall they talk be say as a matter bio say it's not getting funny anymore. Give us the prices.
So the prices because of the brand involved, though I go reluctantly not just measure mention the names of the beer because I believe you people are already
familiar
with
yes,
am. Just know say most of the beer when they buy at 300 and now don become 900. Yes, the one you buy at 500 600 is now 1003. Beer just beer even the one you buy at 200 now is now at 750. That's the one where be cheap as all of. So the cheapest beer to drink now sef na 750 naira.
Can you imagine? So if beer did this expensive right now,
what
alcohol?
So now that one they call spirit. Now what I thought I'm going for spirit, I will go spirit way. So there are two types of spirit: the one that is labeled and the one that is unlabeled. AKA Ogogoro.
Hey, R&B, I beg.
Yeah.
No go for that unlabeled one.
So may I tell you what we they do for Benin that when boys not
why?
get work, listen now, when boys not get work for Ugbo Buya that time for Goodwood, that's a Conwan Road. Me and my guys that time. So if one day where what we'll buy Ogogoro. You know the Ogogoro pure ethanol.
God.
Pure ethanol will buy and they will come buy this Bobo, man, you mentioned your name once. You know, men like me, when children they drink.
That you know they again.
You know they again. That you show you have heart it is.
You know they
so
again.
what you will do, we'll come look for one empty container. We'll mix them. So we'll buy like 1 liter of Ogogoro. We'll mix like 10 Bobo puts.
Can you imagine?
We'll shake her. We'll carry our small cup. And guess what? If you take like 2,
you don't have.
You don't have red or pause. So most time we'll drink that 1 liter of Ogogoro mixed with Bobo for like 3 days. We'll all do well. We'll come buy this.
You go put am for fridge. Or you go just leave am for one corner.
Ethanol they resuscitate things. So we'll come buy this meat where they over dry, where you put for mouth, you go full your mouth.
Like tinko.
Yes, tinko meat. When it's small, they sell at that time 20 naira. I don't know how much it be now. So once we drink the alcohol, they use that meat to subsidize the alcohol.
Because tinko normally, if you enter water, it is soak.
It is soak.
So if you enter your mouth,
you don't fool everywhere you get. So that is how we are getting high. If now high be the result, no problem. We are falling back to ethanol.
See that you are not even going to do that. You know why? Because they've told you not to take alcohol.
My case is exempted.
Your case is different.
It's excluded out of this.
Na medical reasons, Abi.
Na medical reasons.
Based on medical reasons. I they partially avoid alcohol, but it's not I cannot just take 1 or 2 sips with a mixture. You
know the year word.
You don't understand.
You know the year word.
So even enjoyment now is limited. Because there are a lot of people that will be discouraged from drinking beer right now with this new price that has been increased.
So before we go, Lady J, your guy.
Which my guy?
Barista.
I take you my guy.
Yes,
because don't be my guy.
Becca, I want me to start this from the foundation.
Okay.
So the guy, Barista, my learning colleague, I want to buy a table whenever I reply my message for WhatsApp. I said I can't number to run now.
Now, Lady
when
J
he tells
guy.
me thank you, tell someone who may even thank you.
Yes.
Now also Lady J guy.
Yes.
You don't be my guy.
You know why I say na Lady J
why
guy?
they deny him?
I know they deny him,
Why
but
I
it's
say
not
na
my
Lady
guy.
J guy? Now it was true Lady J that he spoke to me.
Oh.
Now why I say na Lady J guy?
Was Lady J the link?
Yes.
After he showed his open interest in you.
Now Lady J.
Now Lady J how?
Wait, now
First
before
of all,
you talk
he say,
on air, hold on, I
okay.
need to judge this matter.
Oh yeah, George.
My table is at stake right now.
My table is at stake. Okay.
Now Lady J, I sit down jejely when we go NYC camp. That day, Lady J can't carry phone give me if somebody wants to talk to you.
Speak to you,
Lo and behold, it was Barista, and I was like, what?
True Lady
As
J.
they tell me, say somebody wants to. They don't tell me say na Barista. She just say somebody wants to talk to me. That was why I collected the phone from her.
You can't speak
and
to her.
I can't speak to only for me to hear say na.
Barista from Abuja.
Okay. Yes, keep it simple. So that was why I said he's Lady J's guy.
Okay.
Do you understand? Because now true Lady J, he speak with me.
So this one happened after Barista show interest on air when you not give her
number.
Okay. You can't use Lady J to
Enter.
link up with you.
Yes.
So now Lady J can't share a number with you.
No. He can't talk say he like the show. He like Naija FM.
Yes.
He do this, he do
Now
that.
like
We dey make him happy. The time when he go hospital, when he's sick,
yes,
he listen to Go TV. Now he can say, oh, there's a wonderful radio station like this. He can't listen to morning runs. Now from there, he can't take interest for the show. Say he can't like the way they talk, the way they laugh.
Yes.
Thank you.
You know, so your laugh, they infectious. Yes, continue. You call it better.
He say he like.
No, now you said Barista on the line. No, you call it better with your laughter. Continue.
I don't understand. Only if they listen to radio station.
There are many people like Barista who have not come out of the open. come to the open.
Make them come out of the closet.
Yeah, make them come out of the closet. Continue.
They laugh
yeah.
because he was talking something that was making me laugh.
Okay.
And they laugh. He can say as the matter being, I say he won't send something to me and Lady J.
Okay.
That was what he now said though.
Okay.
Say he wants to send something over. Say because they always go India.
Okay.
So from India, say he won't go bring human hair come.
Wow.
And I tell
you like
say,
human hair.
Say I know they interested in the human hair where he won't go bring come. Because say I make I not talk like that now.
Wow.
Say make I not talk like that. Say no be saying only me won't give. Say won't give the females.
For
in
the
Naija FM, where they listen to their show. And apparently during the week, say na me and Lady J, the other people are men. You know if you give una human hair.
No, we not give us.
You understand? So you can say you go send pictures to Lady J.
Okay.
The picture of the hair. Say make her pick from the hair. Lady J can't show me the picture. I can't say Lady J, this hair is where me I dey see you.
Not be your type of hair.
Yes. Say I don't like this kind of hair.
Not be your level of hair.
Yes.
Okay.
Say even the text from the look or the texture. Say I don't like.
Now picture you dey see am.
Yes,
okay.
No be even for real life.
Okay.
So I can't tell you. They say I don't think I like the hair and the rest of them. So eventually he can say, why did they talk to me? Because I say, in fact, say one day send the picture of the hair. Say because they soon go India.
Okay.
Say one day send the picture directly to me.
To you.
Yeah. Say one day send it directly to me.
So all this conversation was going on through Lady J.
Before.
Okay,
so he can't make her give him my number so that he go they send the air directly to me, make her for pick.
Okay.
The next day come, I no gree send number. The other day come, I no gree send number. One of those days they didn't now come say, Barrister said he has been trying to reach me. That I've not sent the number. Did you remember that day?
I remember.
And I come and say, waiting this. I say, I don't take this matter. I don't want this air. So since I don't want hair, there's only for me to give her number because I don't want the hair. It's not my type of hair. You understand? So I can't tell Baba Gode because he need to speak with him for NYC camp. He never come that day. You and then Nicole never come NYC camp. Baba Gode I say since I say make I give him the number. Say today I see they drag with me Baba Gode for waste. Say now you.
Thank God I'm outside of it. Continue. No. I'm the judge, yeah.
So eventually Sasha give the number out. That's why Barrister say okay, how much they use do data?
You can't leave here when one
yes.
Send
okay. Because I tell her I don't like the hair. Because how much they take use do data? I can't say in a month to say 10,000. That's why Barrister tell me say say he's sorry say but he dey shock and surprise.
About what?
About the fact say now only 10,000 naira me I dey use. Say he thought I'll be using like 500k
for data.
I can't say even the owner,
they hack the FBI website.
Even the MD of Megalectrics, I don't know if they use up to 500,000 naira to take to our internet connection. I don't get complaints. Yes. Okay. So that was what you tell
us say you did into internet first.
I don't tell us I be Yahoo girl where they use and talk to client or maga.
Okay.
So I was shocked that I can't now that I can't talk. I say waiting men want it. I did truthful. That is not 10k. Okay. You say how can I be using 10,000 naira? So did he not send the 500k
recharge card to you?
If I send 5,000 naira.
Oh,
after 5,000 naira, I see 4,000. I see 4,500.
Oh, he sent an equivalent of what you tell and say you they use.
Yes.
So I wish you tell and say they use more than that for sender.
Yes.
Okay. That you see yourself less. Continue. So where the thank you they come from now?
Which thank you?
The thank you when say more thank you.
So after
because
that,
I spend money on you, so that you supposed to say thank you.
No, I don't say thank you for the. So later I come to talk. So I say how much I get from the recharge card. I come to say now 9,500. He can say the person when he send me he send the recharge card do mistake. Say okay you go send the remaining 500 naira. To balance and make it be 10,000 naira.
That your 1 month subscription complete.
You understand?
Okay.
So the person she sent 500 naira, so that was 10,000 naira, and that was all. And I have said thank you so much. God will bless you. God will continue to honor you. God will replenish your pocket and the rest of the other prayer we are doing. Thank you so much because 10,000 in this economy is a lot of money. But now wait till they use normally.
Okay.
So after the whole this thing now, Barrister was started calling me like his life dependent on the.
Were you picking?
No.
So that's why he keeps calling because he say they miss the call, so he continue to call you till you not miss the call.
In a day, he can call me 15 times.
And you know they pick anyone.
I know they pick any of the calls.
Was there a particular reason you were avoiding his call?
Because he later told me that he wants to buy me a car.
Person proposed to buy you a car. That's more reason you pick his call.
No, I tell and say I don't want.
Oh, you rejected openly.
Yes, because I know say 10,000 is something I can still verse return your money.
Okay, if you buy your car, you feel no verse return.
So I don't go get money to return to verse return car.
Okay.
I don't say I said you say very thank you for the offer. Well. Yes, and my mama has told me already.
That you not collect something from somebody you have no interest.
Thank you. Yeah. I can't say okay, 10,000 naira recharge card was not just for me. He also sent to I believe to the DJ.
You know send me
recharge card.
You know send me.
He tell me say they send you something. No,
listen to me.
Wetin he send you recharge card, be not send you recharge card.
He not send me recharge card.
What he send give you?
5K.
Okay, for you helping Becca.
I don't know.
Get Becca's
he just
number.
promised me say go give me something.
So Becca, I want to get something straight now because my table, 1 million table is on the line for my event.
You follow.
So he advised you wait now.
This is Lady J guy.
Barista, you dey do like you don't do online since I send you my account number, I never send it to you. So activate that because I want to see if I can defend you
or not. Yeah.
So you openly reject Barista. Car.
Yes.
So because you don't want to make it buy you car, you can't say you want driving too.
You understand exactly. So, and I say I don't want car.
Okay. So after that, what now happened?
So he started calling me. I say you don't place where they sell car. Say make I tell am which year, which model. I honestly this thing don't get too serious. Thank you so much, Barista.
You reject car last year?
Yes, I did. And I said, Barista, I'm so sorry.
With fear of say you don't want Marian.
No, he has not even. No, he told me already. Say, he say just like me. Say make I not think of the other. Say maybe you won't come enter me because.
Okay.
He say now just likeness.
Just give you car make the drive.
Yeah, say because I dey always talk. I dey enter Uber. I dey enter taxi. Say make you just give me the car. And I say because if you don't collect all these big things, when this person will ask you for something else, it might be hard for you to say no. And I don't want to put myself in such a situation. And I said, Barista, thank you so much. I don't want this car. But he kept calling and calling to say, oh, you want to know the model. You want to send the car from Abuja to Lagos. And I said, I don't want, please. And when I said the call, they too much. If I wake up in the morning, Barista, miss call. Before I sleep at night, Barista, miss call. Afternoon, if I want shop, Barista, miss call.
Was that a sign of being in love with you?
I don't know, my brother. I now told Lady J. I said, Lady J, please, can you please talk to your barista?
And Lady J don't collect 5K now, enough he talk.
It is well, though.
I said, Lady J is calling me too much. I collect 5K, I know he talk. That
so
I don't want to
you talk to barista? You didn't talk to him?
Tell him what?
You see, because 5K don't shut her
off. Wait on. First of all.
Yes.
He know for one day tell me say he get interest in Becca. So I know if he just bring up the situation, the matter like that.
So we just wanted to.
He not tell me.
But
I don't get any idea.
Barista never planned on saying, let me have you. He just wanted to benevolently help you. There are men like that. But why we say all this offer, now they come to R&B? I don't understand. Somebody don't ever tell me say.
Now. You have two cars, one for you, one for your wife.
30 years, just tell me you want. I have many problems. You get? Nobody don't ever. See, I've spent 30 years on radio. Nobody has said, R&B, let me just get you this. Let me buy you phone. Let me buy you new. My laptop and screen don't scatter since. Nobody said let me buy you.
Even your phone screen, no.
It don't scatter. Somebody offered you car back and you rejected it.
I rejected it because I don't want problems.
So why is it not thanking you?
So that was why I said he's being sarcastic. So all those when he's thanking me indirectly, he's telling me that I should wear off for blocking.
Save money.
Because yes. And I told him I'm so sorry. I don't want sometimes I will come collect. My mind is not going to be at rest.
I understand. Because Nigeria, but it might mean no harm.
But Lady J, I don't know what you need to talk about.
Lady J, 5K don't shut her up, so you don't have anything to offer anymore.
I beg. My what is much more than that.
Oh, like you wanted more? Barista, Jenna, please.
Like I talked before. Yeah. He not tell me. So I know fit.
But you know plans of her to get back a car?
No.
You don't know about
I don't know.
Plan.
You don't tell me. I'm just hearing about it for the first time. Yeah. Because now he don't send me. He say no be true. Say Becca dey lie.
How?
About the car?
See the message here.
What is?
Don't worry. Everybody gets evidence. Okay. Thank God. Baba God.
Lady J send account number to Barista last 2 months.
This na the the last time. This na the last time I go. This na the last time I go ever dey honest. You don't send them account number. We don't send them account number.
Nah, just now.
So why you dey?
Your own is last month and their conversation that went back to back.
Which last month? Something we have. So how you take send me that 5K? You be very dangerous person, R&B. God forbid. You be very, very dangerous. If you put person for inside wahala, God forbid. R&B make I finish.
Before you activate.
R&B. Before you to activate your table. If you like activate, now that one concern you. First and foremost, how you take send me that 5K? Nico, if you're flying,
that account number when you send me.
What do you think I send now for?
Recent one.
You know where? you know anything they look for, and not be me. This is 2024. Not be me. You go find this year.
So
no rope me inside.
Yeah, because now barista make me talk because I don't want to talk since.
Okay.
I kept my mouth quiet. But the way they talk say anytime because like I did something extraordinary. You should not paint picture where no be. I beg, I'm not that kind of person. If I know I don't want to chop something, I know they even move close to it because I don't want problems.
But how come? But men they do things for women without expecting open legs now.
So the extent, see now, see the message is sent.
Oh, after you don't block her. You block her really? But no, you for not block her, Sha. I not go.
I don't understand when I see 15 missed call every day. Well, how many times your friend call me before I block her?
My friend don't set the report the investment when you invest, buy breakfast, buy food.
You even your friend will spend more money. I no block her.
You know as you not even block her, say you leave you. You just move. I don't boys get pride now. You not go blame us. Never do anything.
I beg, but see, barista, you made me say all these things because you cannot just call and start saying.
So what I think what he was trying to say was that he never expected you to block him because of things like that. Because he really, I don't know if he met harm, but I don't think he met harm.
Now the 500K where you want collect for your table, continue.
No. Now the 500K, you don't go open and say they use 5K shortly.
Now the 500K where you want collect
because of table.
Barista, activate.
You
consider your matter.
You sabi spoil person reputation.
You don't take a person.
Yes, I take a personal.